Fortress. Imagine a stepladder that is more than just a stepladder. A stepladder that is a mobile fortress of support. A stepladder that is secure, swift, and smart. That's what an American company is offering with their innovative product, Fortress. This stepladder is designed to make your work easier and safer. You can set it up in 1 second with one movement by one person. It's light but strong, weighing only 13 kilograms and holding up to 170 kilograms. It has automatic flaps and a smart last step that beeps when you step on it. It also has a tool panel on the circular fence, so you don't have to waste time going up and down. With Fortress, you have everything you need at your fingertips. ERKO Gnosis RC54. If you work with cables, you'll love these scissors. They can slice through copper and aluminum cables like butter, thanks to their smart ratchet mechanism that makes cutting easy and safe. They can handle cables up to 54 millimeters thick, but don't try them on steel cables, they won't work. These scissors are 31 centimeters long and weigh 800 grams, so they're easy to carry around. They're a professional level tool that costs $236, but they're worth every penny. FACO DJICAL Torque Wrenches 307. Are you a perfectionist? Then you'll love this French torque wrench. It has an LCD display, a buzzer and LEDs to help you keep track of your tightening operations. It can handle 10 to 340 Newton meters of torque, and you can set up to 9 different values. It also has a memory that can store 250 values from your previous jobs. It's so easy to use, you only need one button. It's accurate, reliable, and smart. It has a gyroscope that detects the angle of the wrench, and it has a uniform interface that makes it compatible with other models. This wrench is the ultimate tool for precision and functionality, and it can be yours for only $428. Handyman Masterjet. If you work with concrete, you need this rotor jet. It can do anything from roughening surfaces to removing rubber. It can handle high pressures up to 3,200 bar, and it has different versions to suit your needs. You can choose from up to 10 nozzles and up to 60 liters of water flow per minute. You can also adjust the speed easily by sliding the cover. This nozzle is light, smooth, and smart. It weighs about 1 kilogram, has low vibrations, and a patented sealing technology. Want to know the price? Just ask. Klein Utility Staple Starter and Staples. If you work with power line poles, you'll appreciate this grounding wire stapler. It can install 5 by 2.5 centimeter staples with ease. It can hold 40 staples, enough for one pole. It's made of aluminum and steel, so it's light and durable. It also reduces the chance of dropping staples or hurting your hands. It has a built-in ruler to help you keep the staples evenly spaced, and it has a handy ring to hang it or store it. Plus, it has a smart stop mechanism that stops the staples from going too deep, saving you time and hassle. But this tool is not cheap. You'll have to pay $150 for the stapler and $172 for a pack of 480 staples. Mini Grinder Trade 1000W. Meet the ultimate tool for locksmiths, tilers, restorers, and welders. This tool can cut, grind, and polish any material from concrete to wood. It has a kilowatt of power and a speed of up to 19,500 RPM. It's also light and agile, weighing only 2.4 kilograms and reaching hard-to-access areas. It even has a nozzle to connect a vacuum cleaner hose. The kit comes with several discs, including diamond discs of 54 millimeters and grinding discs of 50 millimeters in different grits, 80, 180, and 320. And you get a handy bag to store everything. This versatile tool costs $379. but it's worth every cent. Wagner to Reber. If you need to remove doors, you need this tool. It can lift doors up to 120 or 200 kilograms, depending on the model. It can also lift cabinets, containers, and other heavy items. It's easy to use, even if you're new to the repair business. Just use the foot pedal to move the weights smoothly and without jerks. It's made of nickel-plated metal, so it's sturdy and durable. It costs $37 or $75, depending on the model, but it's a bargain for the time and hassle it saves you. Wagner Powertex. Whether you need to paint, enamel, or impregnate, you can count on these sprayers. They can work horizontally or vertically, so you can create any effect you want, like a popcorn ceiling. They have a tank of about 4 liters and a spray speed of up to 0.7 liters per minute. They have a built-in turbine, so you don't need a compressor. And they have a lock and go technology, so you can assemble, disassemble, and clean them easily. They come with 3 nozzles and 3 spray modes, so you can adapt them to any task and volume. And they only cost $112, which is a steal for such a versatile tool.